A. A is for apple. Apple is red. B. B is for ball. Ball can bounce. C. C is for cat. Cat says meow. D is for dog. Dog wags its tail. E is for elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. F is for fish. Fish swims in water. G is for goat. Goat has horns. H is for hat. Hat goes on your head. I is for igloo. Igloo is made of ice. J is for jet. Jet flies fast. K is for kite. Kite flies in the sky. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkey swings on trees. N is for nest. Nest is a bird's home. O is for orange. Orange is a fruit. P is for penguin. Penguin lives in the snow. Q is for queen. Queen wears a crown. R is for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears. S is for sun. Sun is hot. T is for train. Train goes on tracks. U is for umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry. V is for van. Van is big. W is for whale. Whale lives in the sea. X is for xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Y is for yo. Yo-yo goes up and down. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes.